What is good, guys? Welcome back to the video. Hope you guys are all doing well today. In this video, we are looking at a powerhouse of a token, an absolute juggernaut combining the blockchain with artificial intelligence. So we're going to check out a new token. It is a low cap gem, only a $15 million self-claimed one right here because CMC has not actually approved it. But that's a self-reported $15 million MC. But we will look into the price, we'll look into what the project entails, and to whether I think it's worth getting into. So is a bit of a review right here, guys. It's known by Vault-Tec, with the ticker being Volt. Over the last 24 hours, this is up by 40%. Over the last week, well, this thing has already done a 2x, and we can see here on screen, 100 million Volt tokens is the total and max supply. But we can see there's lots of volatility. So going back in time, it's a coin that's had many impulse waves followed by corrections, which is completely normal for a low cap project. So let's have a little look. It goes by the name of Vault-Tec. Before we get started, just please remember this is not financial advice. Always do your own research. This is simply for entertainment purposes only. So it goes by the name of Vault-Tec, and it says designed to address modern day crypto ecosystem requirements. And it says, with our pioneering decentralized escrow service, we aim to deliver an unparalleled user experience by utilizing social dApp integration, AI, and gamification. So let's just scroll through the website, check it all out. You can see as well many big sites, again, like Bitcoinist, Cointelegraph, Bitcoin Talk, have spoken about this project here. So available on DEX tools, and what's really cool is it's already approved on CoinMarketCap. We can see it's not actually on any big major exchanges. They do have a couple centralized exchanges here. They've got Poloniex and also X Markets too, which X Markets really rings a bell, by the way. Be careful with this exchange. I think it's quite a scammy one. That's just what my personal opinion. I don't think it's a good exchange. It's ringing a very haunting bell. So if you're going to trade this one, most certainly use the Poloniex, because you can see this is the price doesn't even look right here. There's a bit of arbitrage. But Uniswap, Poloniex would be the best ones. Uniswap probably the best one, to be completely honest with you. Now, let's have a little look. We can see the market cap 16 million. It's actually rising as we speak, but this project could actually have a bit of potential here. So how does Vault-Tec AI escrow bot work? It says Vault AI's escrow bot is an escrow service built on the blockchain, which implements distributed ledger technology and serves as an impartial middleman between transactional parties. And you can see here, there's an example of doing a transaction where you can change the quantity here. You buy some ETH, you swap to get 3.674K in the Vault right here. So you buy Vault in a few simple steps. It's quite easy to do. They've got the DEX embedded onto their screen right here. Here's some statistics as well. You can see it says, welcome to our Telegram escrow bot. Are you looking for safe and secure ways to buy or sell goods and services in Telegram? So they've also got a TG bot where you can actually do some crypto things within their TG applications. Now, the AI capability, image analysis for jobs like design, the AI can analyze images shared in the chat to confirm if the design work matches the specified requirements. You've got create code, where you can also utilize Vault-Tec's AI smart contracts, and you can also review code at the same time. So it's quite a cool thing. It says a new era of advanced crypto services. Our escrow AI bot is now available on Telegram. It stands as a hallmark of trust in decentralized peer-to-peer transactions right there. So try our escrow AI bot. Vault-Tec escrow architecture. We can also see the meticulously designed software right here, the actual coding, and how it all kind of works. How do you grab Vault if you are willing to get some? Well, you connect your wallet, you ensure you're on the ERC20 mainnet, the proof of stake network, add ETH to your new wallet by transferring from an exchange and purchasing directly from your wallet. Then you can swap ETH for Vault on Uniswap or directly swap here using the Flues embedment. Vault token utilization, so allocation of 1% of escrow fees to revenue sharing pools for Vault holders, using escrow fees to support product development and marketing. It says notably the market demand for our offerings is evident. Global SaaS escrow services market was 5.4 billion in 2021 and is projected to hit 18.4 billion by 2031. So that's doing an overall 3.5x. You can see there is revenue sharing here, 1% of fees processed via the bot directly benefit a revenue sharing pool, incentivizing token holders, maybe people that want to have like staking rewards and things, referral programs too, where you can actually refer, users can promote, share the code. So they've got this sort of thing as well that's going on. Transparent leaderboard, as celebrating excellence as well, and user-friendly design. Here is the roadmap. So we can see laying the foundations was the phase 1 area. The token is already live and trading. We're going to do a bit of an analysis on this one here on DEX tools, which I think would be really good to do. And then moving into phase 2, we'll see the Vault Discord bot expanding the ecosystem to Discord enthusiasts, hire social media management agency. Phase 3, which is setting industry benchmarks, that's speed and security application updates. That's really all about honing in, enhancing and optimizing everything on the Vault.tech platform. So that's the website overall right there. And if you click here, it takes you through to Telegram, where you can have a look at the Vault escrow bot right there as well, guys. So it does look pretty cool. I think it's one worth doing a bit of research on if you have not already had a chance to see this token. Overall, it says Vault offers AI escrow, seamless OTC trades, and NLP-driven multi-chain privacy swap, reap benefits as a token holder. So we can see their token address right here at the bottom, and of course they have a link tree where you can click out to other parts of their platform as well. If you want to dig deep into the white paper, you can absolutely do that, and I do urge you to thoroughly do your own research and due diligence, guys, because tokens like these are more high risk, high reward, being a low volatile market cap, and they've still got a ton of expansion and growth to do behind them. But it's good to see that the team here, Vault.tech, are marketing constantly and actually trying to grow. So it's very important. Quick jump into the price action. So we'll move into the 1-day time frame over here. Look at that. Pretty much an all-time high at the time of making this video. Well, not quite. I mean, there was a slightly higher high over here, that we had a local high for this coin at $0.185. But this is looking kind of bullish. Liquidity looks fantastic over here. $900,000, DEX score of 99.99, circulating supply 100 million, which isn't really that much, and holders are only at $5,000. So for the DeFi lovers out there, people who like trading here on DEX tools or Uniswap, this could potentially be a good coin, which might try to even break out again of this resistance range we're seeing at 0.186. Two very, very bullish looking candles, and if we get a breakthrough, keep an eye on it. Yes, we do have a resistance candle here and a fair amount of selling pressure over here, as we can see. Just going to expand this. I mean, $17.42 million MC, 10x takes that to 170 million, which still isn't really a huge quantity of market capital in the crypto world. I mean, realistically, if coins like this do survive and do really well in the next decade, 17 million could become 170, 340, that's 20x, 510, that's a 30x. And we're looking for long-term value and potential here with this token. So what do I think could potentially happen if we do get that breakout and that continuation to the upside? We're looking at a 0.242 potential price tag here, and that's using our golden Fibonacci, which offers a 39% increase in the price. Of course, things aren't always bullish, but the market is heading that way at the moment, and we are seeing altcoins rise as the market does enter extreme greed. We can see on the RSI we have hit an overbought section here, and we can see historically when the coin does hit an overbought territory, we usually do get a bearish reversal on the way. So we could speculate, yes, maybe we are at resistance, but it doesn't mean it's going to happen that way. And again, looking here at the daily RSI, seems to be a bit of resistance at this exact level of the RSI at 67.85. So maybe a little bit more volume will help drive this coin. But if it does try to retest 0.813, we are looking at the 0.24 price mark, which is up here. That is our second target right here. So we're looking for this target here. That's where we want to see the coin go, into that golden pocket, which would just offer a good pump all around. If we do get a corrective phase, we could be looking for, again, between the 0.5 Fibonacci and the 0.618 Fibonacci ranges, which is where we have our golden reaccumulation ranges. I don't see anything too bearish happening at the moment. It does look like leg up after leg up after leg up. So we're getting big pumps, big impulses, and we're still holding steady on a green candle right here for the Vault.tech coin. So I guess if you're more of a short-term trader, this is the information you can look at. If you're playing long-term, then you know that $17 million is not a humongous market capital, and there is indeed upside potential. What else is there? Well, Vault.tech, exciting news. They're thrilled to announce the strategic partnership with Neo Audit AI, strengthening their AI infrastructure. Automation is the future of smart contracts, and we're proud to bring this to our community. Stay tuned for Neo Audit's listing on the escrow. You can see right here, there is the partnership with Neo Audit meets Vault-Tec. Additionally, it says, this is very recent, this was December 7, so literally just 24 hours ago, Vault-Tec are happy to announce Vault will be integrating Google's Gemini. So this is cool. The goals for Vault partnering, integrating Gemini will include marketing and analytics, natural language processing, AI-assisted decision-making for service completion for Vault escrow as well. And you can see they're getting quite a lot of engagements, a ton of impressions, a lot of retweets, and overall a lot of attention on the token. That's probably why they do have the market cap of what they do at the moment. So November 2023 is where the coin was at its actual all-time high. So we do need to see it break through this price mark right here of 0.1976, which is actually really possible. But of course, try not to chase green candles too heavily, and that applies to all cryptocurrency, guys, because you got to be risk averse. Do not just ape in because someone is talking about it, but really think about it. Do you want to actually get into a token like this? That's completely up to you. You can see actually they've got some great staking rewards, and most people are going for the 75% APY staking option with 90 days. You can actually see most tokens are locked in for this particular option right here. The other ones, you got 50% APY 60 days, you got 25% APY at 30 days. So some decent staking rewards there as well. Thought it'd be worth just showing the light paper, which is always good to look at. You can see, look, tax structure here on the tokenomics, 5% tax on transactions applicable to both buy and sells. This ensures a fair taxation system for all participants. You can also see the tax breakdown on what that actually goes to, the network map, the inflow, the outflow, where the money is being allocated. So that's also important. Token allocation overall, we're seeing 10% team development, 10% influencers, angels, investors, 10% for staking rewards, 30% on centralized exchange marketing. So we're hopefully going to see more of those exchanges here. At the moment, you've got Poloniex, Uniswap, and X Markets. Please, for some reason, X Markets doesn't. Hey, X Markets, if you're out there, you know what you did. You know what you did to me. Bastards. And yeah, so it's a cool project. I think it does have good value. It's got the AI sort of flair to it, and they've got a pitch deck right here, which I think highlights their sort of vision and values, so you can really sort of just learn about it really quickly. So instant talent, unbeatable prices, Vault-Tec connects you with top-notch talent through a versatile services platform available on Discord, Telegram, web, and mobile, ensuring the best prices and lowest fees for instant talent acquisitions. Boom. We found it, everyone. If only they just put that on the website, would have made things even easier. The problems, addressing fragmented talent sourcing and complex transactions in the tech sector. So complexity, incentives, talent, prices. Does look overall good. This is the vision. This is it. This is what they want to conquer in the crypto markets. And I think overall, I might maybe even get myself a small bag of this token actually. Just reading what the vision is about. I do like seeing Web3 companies that look to sort of, I suppose, bridge the gap between Web 2 and Web 3 and create a blockchain solution. And I think we might be seeing that here with Vault-Tec. Remember, guys, this is not financial advice. Check out Vault-Tec down below, do a bit of research on it, and let me know what you think. Thanks for watching. Stay crypto safe. Peace.